Hello, my name is Oliver Schmidt. Today I'm going to show you how to listen with A2Stream to an internet live stream, such as your favorite internet radio station. For this purpose, I'll walk you through the steps of installing the A2Stream server on a Raspberry Pi. All necessary commands are taken from my step-by-step guide linked in the video description. After installing Raspberry Pi OS, open a shell on your Raspberry Pi. Start with getting the A2Stream server source code. Now compile the source code. And check the compilation result. Everything looks fine. Then install mPlayer. This takes some time. In the next step, you will need the URL of the internet live stream you want to play. Unfortunately, internet radio stations tend to not publish their audio live stream URL anymore. So you need to find out the URL in one way or another. For this walkthrough, I used the URL of 106.7 Light FM from New York. Okay, try to play the URL. Even if you have no audio on your Raspberry Pi, you can judge from the starting playback message that the URL is good. Now open a second shell and bring up the A2Stream server listening on port 80. Make sure it prints the message waiting on temp A2Stream-80. Back on the first shell, play the URL again, but this time to the pipe the A2Stream server is waiting on. All those additional parameters pre-process the audio stream in a way suitable for the A2Stream server. Switch to the second shell and check that there's a message saying "Connect on pipe." Now you're ready to go. On your Apple II, bring up A2Stream.system. As URL, enter the IP address of your Raspberry Pi. It works. On the Raspberry Pi, you can see a message confirming the connection from your Apple II. Press Ctrl+C in both shells to exit the running processes. Now let's automate everything on the Raspberry Pi. First, create a systemd service unit for the A2Stream server. Next, enable the service just created. Then create a systemd service unit for mPlayer. Note how it depends on the A2Stream service. Enable that service too. OK. Now, as a final rehearsal, start the mPlayer service. And check that the A2Stream service was implicitly started. Just to be sure, also check the current status of the mPlayer service. And finally, ready for prime time. Reboot the Raspberry Pi. Give it some time to come up depending on your Raspberry Pi model. Then re-enter the IP address of your Raspberry Pi as URL in A2Stream and listen to your favorite internet radio station anytime you want using that plain old Apple II speaker circuit that can just click. Thanks for watching, and if you like the video, please like the video.